Hello everyone, my name is Shubhanshi Sharma. I'm a student of MIT Melbourne, Australia, and my MIT ID is 210660. So now today I'm gonna talk about the two commands, which is Powertop and Atop, and I'm gonna use them on Kali. So let's get started. Let's open the Kali and open the terminal. And first of all, I will give you the in-depth information about PowerTop. What is PowerTop? It is a program that diagnoses issues related to power consumption and provides suggestion on how to extend the battery lifetime. So it provides the estimation of total power usage of the system and also individual power usage for each process, devices, time, and interrupt handler. Now I'm gonna run the command which will install the Powertop. So this is the command sudo apt -get install Powertop. This will install the command on your system, and then I'm gonna run another command which will take me to the manual of Powertop, which is sudo man Powertop. So this is the manual of Powertop. Here you can see Powertop is it's a consumption and power management diagnostic tool. So it gives you all the information, and you can read the description options which you use to operate this Powertop command. Now we'll get back by pressing Q, and then next command which we're gonna use today is uh, sudo Powertop. So this will take you to the main menu of PowerTop, where it has certain tabs. First is overview, then idle state, frequency state, device state, tunable, and wake. Now, first, what is overview of this PowerTop? So component either send wake ups to the CPU most frequently or consume the most power. The items within the overview tabs, including the process and interrupt devices and other resources that are sorted according to their utilization. So overall, it gives information about power estimation on how the resources are being used. So here you can see the description, all the process, their usage, and the time. So this is the whole overview of this thing. And then what is idle state? Idle state gives you the information of C states. So that is C2, C3, C6. It gives you the information of C states. Now next is frequency state. It gives you the information of how much power is consumed by your CPU. So CPU 0, it's giving the average consumer power of 2.2 gigahertz, and same to CPU1. Now device states. Device states give you the information of it provides similar information, more or less over like overview tab, but it also gives you the information along with the device which are attached to the system. So that's the actual attached system which I'm using at the time. So the device name like CPU mic I'm using at the right now, CPU and USBs, PC, and all these things, right? Now next is tunable. Next is tunable. It shows the good and bad usage of optimizing your system for good and bad power consumption. So all these runtime processes are in good position. That means they have a good power consuming. And if it is written somewhere bad, you can change it through the command, which I'm gonna just show you, which is power top -auto -tune. This, okay, I might have changed right, our top auto -tune. All right, so this will change all the bad into good, and this will increase the your performance of your system. So this is one of the command which is used. All right, so where is it? All right, we'll go back, and after using this command, when you will go to tunable, you will see the difference. All the bad will turn into good. Now next is wake up, which is disabled at the moment. All right, so we'll get back, and now we will talk about ATOP. So what is ATOP? ATOP is the interactive monitoring tool to view the load in a Linux system. It shows the occupation of most critical level hardware resources form from a performance point of view on the system level, that is CPU, memory, base, network, and it also shows the processes are responsible for indicating loads with respect to CPU and memory load for process level. Now I'm gonna show you how you can install the ATOP, PowerTop, sorry, ATOP. So it has the same command like sudo apt-get install. Instead of PowerTop, you have just need to write the atop command. So I can just show you apt-get install atop. So this will install atop at your system, and then next I'm gonna take you to atop manual. This will show you the advanced. So what is a ATOP, advanced system and process monitor? So through the ATOP you can advance your system and process your monitor your processes, and to give you the brief description, and process accounting colors and statistics in each and every command which you can use while using ATOP. Okay, now getting back to ATOP. Now next we will learn now next we will use the command which is actually the main command of ATOP, that is sudo apt sorry sudo atop. So this is the main command where you can see all the information about the working of the processes, like CPU, user, what user consumptions, what is the idle percentage, CPU guest, and the memory which are used, like how much memory is there total and how much free memory is there, what is how much cache memory, dirty memory, you know buffer memory. And it also shows you the IP input output, packet input output, and all the information in kilobytes per second. So it gives you whole information about it. And now just let me just get back and try some other um, commands, which is atop minus p, sorry, hyphen p, which give you the information about processors. And there is one more command which is atop hyphen n, which give you information, all right, which give you information about the network. So basically it gives you the performance monitoring and performance tuning information. All right. Now, the question is, what is the difference between ATOP and PowerTop? So I'm just going to talk about it. So PowerTop is a program that diagnoses issues related to the power consumption and provides suggestion and how to extend the battery life, whereas ATOP is capable of reporting the activity of all the process and daily logging of system and process activity for long-term analysis and highlight overload system resources by using colors, etc. Now, the next question arises how it is used for useful for system administrators. So while ATOP is used by system administrator because it needs to monitor and to the server to ensure proper functioning, it enables system administrator possible issue in advance and recover before it causes any trouble. Whereas the usefulness of PowerTop for system administrator is that it provides estimation of total power usage of the system, and it also individually power usage for each process, devices, time, and interrupt handler. So at the end, I would just want to conclude it by saying that I want to wind up this video by the conclusion of I like how because I like the advantages and the features of ATOP, and like how ATOP isolate and analyze the CPU usage and system consumptions and storage input output etc. And it gives you for each process and threads. So this is it from my side. Thank you so much.